Hello, dear students of our e-commerce and technology course. My name is Rosa Luz Estebané Rodriguez, and I would like to extend you a welcome message on behalf of all the faculty team of this course. I hope that you can really enjoy the course, even that we're going to move a bit faster than during the semester. It is going to be an interesting course where we're going to cover all the terminology and important aspects to develop on this e-commerce and technology world that we're living. So I'm going to be your tutor professor in this course, and the intention of this video is to give you some details in order to help you start and be successful during our course, okay? And clarify my functions. So the first one is I will be in touch with you during the course, the 5 weeks of our course, sending you the schedule of every week and to remind you or reminding you about the activities that we will be having during the week. In case of any issue or doubt that appears, I would like you to contact me. Feel free anytime, okay? It could be by mail to rosa.estebane@itesm.mx or via Facebook, sending me a message. I invite you to enter to our group. I'm going to give you details to enter there. Fine? The second thing is I will be receiving your homeworks and providing you with feedback as soon as possible, but the most 3 days after receiving your work. Okay? So to start, I would like to have a quick tour of our course in Blackboard and to show you which is going to be our Facebook group. Okay? So let's start. Let's take a look to our course here in Blackboard. So the first thing that you will see, of course, are the announcements or the announcement section. Here it is important that you enter again on a weekly manner to see all the messages that we're posting you. Here you can find the information of activities plus the videos of Dr. Alanis that I strongly recommend you to watch. Okay? Now, the other important section is the second button, calendar and content. If you click here, you can find basically the calendar week by week with all the activities and the deadlines to develop them. So it is important that you can check it, and to understand what are you supposed to do on each activity, you just need to click there. For example, on this activity, e-commerce business models. If you click, you will get all the instructions. What are you supposed to do, which is the media that you should use, and then where to deliver your assignment, okay? The rubric of the activity also comes here, where you are told what is the value of each information that you're going to include on your document. Fine. So I strongly recommend you also to check this detail of each activity on the calendar of our course. Fine. Here you have it. Now, the other important tab here on the calendar is this one, the general information. If you click here, you can find all the important information of our course. The policies are key to be successful. Here you can find the way that you are supposed to participate and develop the activities. Okay? How are we going to assign your grades and everything? You can check it on a better way, taking your time there. I'm not going to cover all the sections. Then another important section is the evaluation. Here, let's take a look again. You can find the detail of all the activities and which is the value of each one. For example, quizzes have a value of 5%. We're talking about 3 quizzes during the course. Then we're having 2 activities that are e-commerce business models and the power of new media. Each one has a value of 7.5%. Then we're having the cases that are some of the most important activities of our course. 2 cases, each one of 20%. These cases should be done on a collaborative way. I'm saying on team. Okay, all the other activities are individuals. Then The middle term exam and the final exam have a value of 15% of your final grade. Fine? So all this information comes on the evaluation tab inside of general evaluation. The other important information is the bibliography. As you may know, all the content of our course is based on this book, the E-Commerce 2016 Business Technology Society Global Edition, okay, of Loudon and Traver. This edition is the 2016, but as Dr. Alanis has mentioned in some previous communications, you can use any other edition like the 2013 or another even, because the content doesn't change that much. I mean, the terms doesn't change. The term don't change that much. But what changes is the order of chapters and also the cases. Okay, so it's important that you check that your information is the same that we are studying on the week, even that the chapter is not the same. Okay, now where can you find the case that we're working with? It is on the button of resources that you can check what is the case, okay, that we're going to be talking about. On resources, let's wait a bit, it's going. Okay, here on the folder of cases is where you have the description of each case. For example, case 1 is this one, freemium takes Pandora public. Okay, and the case 2 is this one, eBay evolves. Okay, here we also left where to find each case depending on the book edition that you're using. Okay, for example, the first case appears on chapter 5 of the 2016 edition and on chapter 2 of the 2013 edition, and the second case appears on chapter 10 of the 2016 edition and on chapter 11 of the 2013 edition. Okay, so as I'm saying, just the chapters, the number of the chapter is the one that varies. Fine. Another important section of our course is this button, exams and deliverables. Here is where you're going to find the links to answer tests and to send your documents. Okay, fine. Another section that is important to check is my grades. Here is where you're going to be receiving the grade of your activity, and if you click here, you can find, if you click the grade, you can find my feedback. Fine? Okay, I think this is it for our Blackboard course. Now, about Facebook. We're having a group on Facebook that is this one, E-Commerce Summer 2017. Please enter here, okay? Send me your request to enter. I will be accepting it. I strongly recommend you to enter because here is where we can have communication on a faster way. I mean, I will be posting messages on a weekly manner, but also you can send me comments and I will try to answer you the same day as I receive them, okay? So basically this is going to be our media to be in touch and that you need to know in order to be successful in our course. Said this, let's start with it. Any doubt, please feel free to contact me, as I said, by mail or by message through our Facebook group. Okay?